everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you how I store some knickknacks and my ribbon, okay? I use these storage containers. They are plastic storage containers, and as you can see, I label them. This one says plain brads, and all of these are just round plain brads, okay? Different sizes and different colors. Then right here I have the shape brads, and as you can see, they have different shapes, okay, like letters and other ones. See, so I keep them all together right here. Then I have my eyelets right here, and as you can see, they are in different shapes and sizes, okay, and different colors too. Then I just wrote embellishments, but these are metal embellishments, and they are different kinds. I've been buying little by little during the years, and I have lots of embellishments, as you can see right here. Then right here says charms, and some of them are charms, okay, some of them are just embellishments. As you can see, I have a few charms there. See, so more metal embellishments. And this one doesn't have a label, and this one has a mix of these items, okay. And right here it says magnets and closures, and as you can see, I have a few closures there, corners. These are corners for the books, and these are some of the closures, metal closures. These are for the legs of one box, and these are closures as well. And I have my magnets in this corner, and as you can see, I have different sizes, okay, and that's how I keep them. And here I have metal leaves that I use to embellish my albums, okay. And now I'm going to show you this one I made long time ago, and I have a tutorial, okay. I used a box, I recycled a box, and I made it, okay. And I show that I keep these containers, and look, it's been like, I don't know how many years, I think more than 6, maybe 8 years ago. I'm not sure about it, but still like new. See, look, I think it's because it's inside of this bookcase. And as you can see, I have a few vinyl papers right here, okay. And I'm going to show you this one. For example, it says jewelry, and as you can see, I have a lot of stuff that it can be used for charms, okay. And yeah, this is old stuff. Right here says cabochons, and as you can see, I have a few metal embellishments that I can use as a cabochon on mini albums. And then I have some more embellishments, okay, and also these little frames, the metal frames and words, okay. Then right here it says applique, and here I have some of these items that I made, okay, these round ones to embellish my shabby chic projects. And then I have some appliques right here, flowers, butterflies, laces, hearts, see, that I can use. And these cute dolls that I found in a local store, and I bought it for maybe a baby project, see. Then it says wood, and here I have lots of embellishments in wood, okay. All of these are wood, and I use them in mini albums, and sometimes in boxes to embellish the projects. Then right here says beads, and these are some beads that I've been buying, okay, lately, and I love these ones. Look, when I find beautiful beads, that's okay if they are plastic. It's mostly for my charms or for embellishment gifts, okay. Then right here says flower centers, and here I have lots of beads that I can use as flower centers. And also right here some buttons and rhinestones that I can use as centers, okay. Right here says seed beads. All this stuff was a gift, and I have seed beads in different colors, and I have another place where I save the seed beads. So I'm going to combine this one with the other box that was on top, and I'll see how I put them together. Okay, and if you have ideas on how to use these large ones, please let me know in the comments, because I have a lot of them and they are glass, so I don't know what can I create with them. So give me ideas, please. And as you can see right here, I have another box that it's exactly like this, okay? But right here, I added this part up here, okay, which is like about 1 inch. So I save my ribbons and they don't fall, okay, to the front. And as you can see, I have 2 rows of ribbon. And I save them and I keep them by color, so it's easy for me to look only in this area. For example, if I'm looking for the ivory and I can see in the back, and it's easy for me to pull the ones at front. And look, I even have a space where to put the ribbon and get the other ones that are behind. Okay, so that's how I save them. And I added this part up here, okay, 3 dividers, so they keep standing. And I keep all the pink ones, and right here the yellows, purples, blues, reds. I have a few of each color, and these are all the plain ribbon that I have, okay, and I keep them up here, so if I need for any project, I just grab from here. So I hope you get inspired to keep your stuff. As you can see, this is how I keep the small things in those containers and my ribbon that way, okay? And if you want to know how I made a box, I'm going to leave the tutorial right here or in the description box. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.